Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore emergency fund planning with Ally Bank step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather your income statements and expenses over the past few months. Determine how much you currently have saved in your emergency fund. Identify your monthly expenses to calculate your ideal emergency fund amount. A common recommendation is to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Next, set a specific savings goal for your emergency fund. Consider your comfort level and the nature of your job stability. Open a high-yield savings account with Ally Bank for your emergency fund. Visit the Ally Bank website and navigate to the Savings Account section. Complete the application process by providing your personal information. Fund your account with an initial deposit, if possible. Create a monthly budget that includes a specific amount for your emergency fund. Aim to contribute consistently, even if it's a small amount. Automate your transfers from your checking to your savings account. This will help you build your emergency fund without having to think about it. Review your budget regularly to ensure you're maintaining your savings plan. Increase your contributions whenever you have extra funds available. Consider cutting unnecessary expenses to free up additional savings. Stay disciplined and avoid withdrawing from your emergency fund unless it's essential. Monitor your account for interest accrual to see your fund grow over time. Finally, celebrate your milestones as you reach your savings goals. This will help motivate you to maintain and build your emergency fund further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.